When you get to the first lesson in which you need to build your robot to actually drive, you are going to go ahead and get your kit out, and just like you did with inventory, you're going to carefully take the red bin and set it inside the lid. You then can go ahead and just set the diagram with your parts off to the side. And you're going to go ahead and on your computer, you're going to double click on where it looks kind of like a black eye with a little red center eye in it that says Lego Mindstorms. And you're going to double click on it to open it up, and it's going to open to this screen right here. And you're going to go ahead and simply go to Robot Educator, and you're going to scroll down with the center mouse wheel or click the arrow down here until you get to building instructions. And you're going to click on Driving Base, and you're going to say Open. And when you do, it's going to open a set of directions for building your robot. You and your partner are going to take turns building your robot. So you'll see it says page 1 of 46. We're going to build, and you'll see where it says 1 of 1, right? And that means you're on page 1 and the scale right here. Okay, so we need one big motor. So we'd go to the bottom. We'd make sure it matches our picture. We would get one of these 3-pin connectors, and it shows me taking the short end, sticking it inside that top piece. What I would prefer is that one partner builds one page or one step, and then the next partner builds the next step. So you would hit page over, your partner would go in, they would find the next piece that you need, make sure it matches, they would look at the picture, they go, okay, it's the second hole in, and they'd push that in, and then you'd hand it back to your partner, and you take turns building your robot, right? And you go in and you can help each other find the pieces, but one person builds one step, then the next person builds the next step. Now you're going to go ahead and simply take turns, but you and your partner are going to build all the way until you get to page 46, and you will have a built robot. Now there's going to be times where you might wonder what size a piece is. You can use your booklet, that third to last page, and it says scale 1 to 1, and you can lay that out. So when you get to pieces like one of these and you're like, I'm not sure if this is a 7 or a 9, you can lay it on top of the 9, and if it's an exact match, that's a 9. But so when you get to going to build your robot, you're going to open it up, you're going to use the computer, and you and your partner are going to take turns building. When you need your brick, you'll simply grab it from wherever it's charging in the room and bring it back and plug it in.